Welcome to CTM DIY, the Tile Edition. Today we'll show you how to transform your shower space into the style trend of the season. Have you ever wondered about the process of tiling your home? Well, we're going to explain the steps you and your contractor would follow when adding tiles to your home. To mix your stone and glass mosaic adhesive, you will need your 5 kg of mosaic tile adhesive, 1.75 liters of water, and a bucket. Add your water to the bucket, followed by the full bag of mosaic adhesive. Thoroughly mix the water and the adhesive until everything has combined. Find the center of your wall to determine where you will start tiling and mark the middle point. Measure the dimensions of your mosaic to find your starting point. Set up a straight line for your first mosaic to rest against. Add adhesive to your wall and apply your first sheet of mosaic. Use your first sheet of mosaic to place your second. Use a tile spacer to ensure that the gap between the mosaics is the same on all sides. Use the adhesive to grout between your mosaic tiles. Apply adhesive to the ground where you want to lay your floor mosaic. Place your mosaics carefully where you want them. Use tile spacers to ensure the gap between the mosaics are the same on all sides. And now for everything else we need. The rest of our wall and floor tiles, together with our shower column, walk-in shower screen, the soap holder, as well as the towel and towel holder. That's it. Not too bad, right? I'm sure you could manage, don't you think? Why not find out for yourself?